What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about procrastinating. How many of us are a procrastinator? Raise your hand in the comment section. That would be me. I forgot my front camera today, but it's an important trip. I've been putting it off. I've been meaning to go to the post office and mail these stickers out to my friends overseas. It's the only one I have trouble mailing because I never really mailed anything overseas. So, plus I gotta go to the P.O Box. I haven't been there since I opened it. So I know a lot of people have sent me stickers and poker chips and letters, and I have got them. It's just been crazy the last couple weeks. I'm in the process of redoing my garage, so it'll be more of a proper work area for when I eventually get the parts that I ordered for this Harley. It's still a school zone, okay. Certain hours of the day. But I did order parts. One of them's on back order, and of course, if one item is on back order, we may have the right to hold all your items until we see fit. I get it, it's fine. They did warn me when I placed the order that everybody got stimulus checks and tax refund checks and they're experiencing higher than usual order volume. I get that. Completely understand. I'm fine with that. So I ordered garage cabinets, and the cabinets I did want were specific. Because my wife and I like things to be, uniform, symmetrical. We want it to look good. But like I was saying, we ordered these cabinets, and, we wanted the one with the sink, and, of course, the one with the sink's been on back order because of COVID. And I'm like, okay, whatever. So we wait, and they all finally come into play. And we finally get said cabinets delivered after a few hiccups of logistical company issues. We take photos of the pallets, and we document it on the bill of lading, or lading, depending on how you want to pronounce that. I'm not a shipper, so please don't judge me. And as I begin to remove piece after piece, and mind you, these cabinets are already put together, they're solid steel. You don't have to really put anything on but the feet of the cabinets. And what do you know? One of the boxes was placed just right in the pallet, and it's busted. Great. Luckily, we documented everything, and the company seems to be willing to send us a replacement, and we have to box it up. But now it puts that on hold because the cabinet that's busted gets mounted on top of the other cabinets that sit on the garage floor. So now I got cabinets that I still can't use. And I'm like, alright, it is what it is. We'll just go with the flow. We'll go with the flow and see what happens. It works out for me because my friend that's going to help me put them on, that I'm going to hire, has some plans anyway, so that kind of works out. Let's go this way to the post office today. Hopefully it's not that busy. Come on there, bud. I'll wait for you. You look old. Alright. Do. Alright. Alright. I'll check in with you guys after I mail these envelopes. Sorry, Father Bobber. You're spilled out all over my P.O Box. Hopefully I got a sticker. Woo, that was a lot of stickers. That was a lot of stickers. Everybody likes stickers. Like a glove. She full. Woo! Man, I don't know if anybody noticed, but when I was in there, Father Bother spilled out all over my P.O Box. They did not take it with tender, loving care. I think Newman strikes again. People must look at me like I'm freaking crazy, like talking to myself in a helmet. There we go. Turn this off now. Put this little bad boy on right here. This little rock form mount.
Don't even get me started.
Whoa, that was loud. What did I do to you, Siri? Holy shit. I need a new pair of underwear now. Wow. Man, I didn't know you can make digital women angry too. Holy. Wow. She was fierce, man. Come on, Audi. I ain't got reverse lights. Are you actually coming in the post office? All right. So I procrastinated for a while. I feel really bad, and I want to apologize to everybody that sent me mail. It has been a minute since I have been to the P.O Box. Just life's been a little crazy, and more so since COVID. I feel like I got so many projects now, I just can't seem to find the time to get them all done, and then you know, you hit setbacks like your cabinets are busted. That happens. But anyway, cabinets can be replaced, things can be fixed, and you can get mail. So there's that. Let's see what time we got. Yeah, I got time. I had to go out during my work hour, to my lunch hour at work. Wanted to make sure I got everybody's package because I need to do a mail call video as well. And because I have so many, that's going to become a video because I have a lot of people to thank. Very blessed. Very, very blessed. So I hope everybody does have a good weekend. Get out there and ride if you can. This video will probably come out on Monday. It's when I seem to like to release my videos. Something to look forward to other than work. For most people that work a normal 9 to 5. A lot of people don't. And that's okay. I used to work, when I was in college. I used to work 3 12-hour shifts. And then I went to college too, so I went to college Monday through Wednesday, and then I worked Thursday, Friday, Saturday, so I never really had a Friday or Saturday night time to party and all that, because I was working as a oil change mechanic for a little bit. Bring it home, Phil. Everybody wait for that drum solo. Always make sure you double check your parts and triple check. I made the mistake of ordering the wrong size, and I might have to get another one. It's okay. I made the mistake, not Memphis Shades. But shout out to Memphis Shades though, because one of the brackets that connect to the fork tubes was machined wrong. I got it to free after a little mechanical engineering from me and my wife. She took a screwdriver and wedged it out, but it's supposed to slide out so you have some adjustability, which maybe I'll be able to adjust this and still get away with it. But it works pretty well. But I called him up on, was it Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. Nice lady on the phone. I told her what's wrong. She's like, we'll just send you a whole new clamp. I was like, really, the whole thing? She's like, yep. That way there's no problems. Just keep the others for spares. I was like, that is, why can't every company be like that? That's like Amazon right there. Like, okay, yeah, no worries. Do you want me to ship the old one back? No, you can keep it. I was like, way to go, Memphis Shades. So back to procrastination and setbacks. Because if you can't tell, I have trouble keeping to a story, and I want to say maybe that's because I'm a new rider and I'm being very cautious of every road and every car, because especially in my town, a lot of motorcycles get killed around here because I live near an army base, and if you don't live near one, think of taking people from every city in every worst possible way that someone can drive and shove them all near an army base, and you have all those people that have different driving rules and styles all together. It is crazy, and that's why I drive a little precautiously. And this will be something that comes up in another video, but I have my friend Andy, who, if you follow me on Instagram, he got into an accident a couple weeks ago, and some debris fell off the back of a truck, and I was supposed to go riding with him. Well, you know, he doesn't have a GoPro, so luckily the guy did pull over, but his bike's going to be out of commission because he's got to get things fixed. It actually snapped a highway peg and all kinds of crazy stuff. But I'm always vigilant on that kind of stuff, and I want to say if I was with him, I would have got hurt because he kept the bike up, whereas who knows what could have happened with me. It's one of those things, like, you know, if you just left 5 minutes earlier, that could have been you. But I try to keep my storylines consistent. I do a lot of back and forth, but hopefully you keep up with me. I'm getting better at this now. You know, they say when you hit your 10th video, you get better at what you're supposed to be doing. It's going to take me a lot longer to get comfortable, but the more solo rides I do, the better. Now I gotta get used to my seat position and wind, because I took some parts on and off. I'm using the Saddleman Explorer seat, and I have to say, so far I really love it. I didn't get the step up. I wanted to go a different route. And someone had commented about why make a video and it takes 10 seconds to put on. I'm like, yeah, you're right. There's also videos of people, you know, putting on a shift knob on YouTube, but I can get his point. Do. Alright guys, well thank you. Please be sure to like and subscribe my video.